Hey guys, I want to share with you what I've been doing at the end of my workouts, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. I have been using the Renpho massage gun as a new form of myofascial release and deep tissue massage. And my body feels about 10 years younger. I feel less sore, I feel more agile, and it's just released a tightness that I've had in my shoulders and in my glutes that I thought would never go away.
And I don't know why I waited so long to try one of these. I think it's because when they first came to market, they were just quite expensive. But now they're around the $100, £100 price mark, and I think it's well worth the investment. So what's unique about this Renpho massage gun is its ergonomic shape and grip. It has 5 adjustable angles to move the massage head, so you can easily massage hard-to-reach places like your mid-back, shoulders, and glutes without straining your arm and wrist. Now, most massage guns have an L-shaped design, so this is the only one that I have seen that adjusts to different angles so you can comfortably reach behind you. And it's a really sturdy piece of kit, and surprisingly, it only weighs 2.2 pounds, so your arm doesn't fatigue when you're holding it, and with the unique grip, you can even use 2 hands to hold it, one on the base and one on the handle. Now, there are 6 different massage heads. The medium and large ball heads are great for larger muscle groups like arms and thighs. The bullet head on the left is suitable for joint, deep tissue, and precise massage, while the air cushion head on the right is suitable for trigger points. The fork head is suitable for your neck, massaging along the spine and on the Achilles, and the flat head can massage any part of the body. This device has 4 massage levels: 1 to wake up muscles, 2 for fascia release, 3 to eliminate lactic acid, and 4 for deep tissue massage. You want to spend about 30 seconds on each area of the body you want to release. You can use this before your workouts for muscle activation on level 1, or if you're using this post-workout for myofascial release, you can use it at level 2, or to eliminate lactic acid, level 3. So 15 minutes with the massage gun will help your muscles in recovery to boost blood flow and enhance your body's built-in ability to regenerate cells and repair muscle tears. If you're often stiff and sore, the Renpho massage gun can really dig deep to quickly release tight knots in the body with its level 4 deep tissue massage. I woke up with a very stiff neck a few days ago, and I used this just for a few minutes in the morning, and I was amazed at how quickly I was able to release all that discomfort. The unit can power a week's worth of massages before you need to charge it again, which is very handy.
Now, I know I sound really enthusiastic about this product, but it's such a game changer, as your recovery is just as important as your workout. And if you don't want to take my word for it, you should just look at all of the amazing 5-star reviews this product has on Amazon. People don't lie, and it's pretty impressive how many 5-star reviews they actually have.
So if you would like to check this out, I will put the purchase link in my description box below. And Renpho have kindly given me a 10% off discount code just for you guys, which is KSFIT10OFF.
If you have any thoughts or questions on the Renpho massage gun, leave them in the comments box below and I'll do my best to get back to you on them. And if you have a friend who would be interested in this product or someone you know would love it, make sure you send them this video. And if you're new to my channel and you've just found me, make sure you subscribe. I have new videos out every single Monday, and you can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So I hope you guys found this informative, and I can't wait to see you for another video and workout soon. Bye guys!